Now, how do you add effects in Movavi Picverse? It's very simple. I'll just come here, open photo, then I'll go to where the photos are. For example, I'll pick, let me pick this picture here, then I'll just click open. The next thing, I'll go on my right hand side here, go to effects, this aspect here, then it will give me the effects here. Now, if you point this arrow down here, there are many kinds of effects. They are categorized in different categories. For example, popular, classic, widgets, and the rest. For example, if I click this one here, you see what the kind of effects that is applied there. If I click this one here, if I click this one here, you can see the kind of effects. I think these are the most popular ones that people like using. They assume so. Let's try other ones, like maybe classic. As you can see there, if I click this one here, this is how it will change. Let me look at vignettes. This look how it will be. It looks like something like okay, textures. Maybe you want to add something like yeah, some of them will be forced to download, as you can see here. Maybe give it some time to download. Yeah, you can see that effect. You want to put stars, also you can download this one here. Yeah, you can also try this one, artistic. Maybe you want something to do with the, I think, pencil art, something to do with black and white, something like that. Maybe you can try retro. Maybe you can try this one, as you can see there. You can see all of this here. Disco. Maybe you want something to do with disco lights. I don't know. Maybe you tell me. Color fantasy. I think I love this one here. Look at this color fantasy thing. Red. I think I love color fantasy. Look at this one here. Something like a vintage. Color creative. Let's see that. Maybe you want to divide the pictures into different colors. Look at this one here. So I think I like color fantasy, this one here. So that's how to play with the different effects in Movavi Picverse. See you in the next video. I'll just apply.